Amber Heard, a trending topic. Everybody is talking about Amber Heard. But a weird thing that some smart people are using to make a lot of money by using 3 to 5 minutes of their times. And any beginner, including you and probably me, can make money using this same exact system. Because as far as I know, a $1 billion company is using the same exact technique for years and making $1 billion per year. The best of the best part, this can be done from anywhere on the planet, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency if you want. It gets better because my AI, artificial intelligence software, will help you get results. Link is in the description and the software is free for you. So I want you to look at my screen and you see something you notice or not. 7 times Amber Heard lied under 7.7 million views. 8 times judge got Amber Heard for 1.4 million views. 7 biggest lies Camille Vasquez, 1 million views. 8 times where Amber Heard, 467,000 views. Now if you look at BuzzFeed, the $1 billion company, look at the contents. These 24 absolutely brutal photos, 28 the Pride Month, 14 wild celebrities, 16 behind the scene facts. So basically people love numbers. People want to know precise numbers of stuff. 10 little things, 10 weird things, 10 tallest things, etc, etc. We have done some extra research for you. We found the top viewed or visited pages from BuzzFeed. And look at the top ones: 26 best places, 15 quizzes, 37 best inexpensive, 40 most practical. Now I am going to a point where I'm going to ask you to make videos with numbers. Now you might be saying, Mosh, I don't have time for videos. Don't worry about it, because my artificial intelligence software Epic will help you do that. Make videos that will generate millions of views within minutes of work. So Epic allows you to make videos using images, texts, and links. And in our other channels, just like us, and Epic generates, and unlike these videos, we don't have to speak when we use Epic, because Epic generates voiceover, natural sounding using text. Now you might be asking, Mosh, where is the text coming from? This sounds really fishy. Are you asking me to type text? Absolutely not. Epic has solved all these problems. You don't have to type. Epic generates scripts, writes content using artificial intelligence, AI, and turn that text into natural sounding voiceover and make videos without using camera. Done? The main problem solved? Awesome. Now let's move on. You should use Epic from the link in the description. It's free for you, and make 1-minute long videos for YouTube Shorts. This is exactly what we do. Before we begin, I should tell you something. We made this channel to help 100 million people in the next 10 years, and we can no way reach this goal without your help. All we want from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, and all your social media contacts, and everyone you know who need to learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And remember, in every video we are giving away our softwares for free. Go ahead. So let's begin. Look at this. I just searched with Amber Heard, and just after 2 or 3 videos you find the shorts feed, and people are loving shorts feed because they are 1 minute long, not boring. And if you stop, or if you just search using your phone, you will find the number of views. 2.9 million views, 879,000 views, 3.2 million views, 637,000 views. Oh my goodness. Nobody made those videos. They are taken from elsewhere and published on YouTube as 1-minute shorts. Why am I talking about shorts and not other videos? You can all the way go for other longer, wider videos. But shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying to make them popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So they're pushing the shorts and the shorts creators harder. That is helping us getting thousands of views and thousands of customers from YouTube 100% free. All you need is to use Epic, make shorts and publish them. Now bundle those shorts and publish them on Udemy. Udemy is a website. Now you might be asking, Mosh, where is the money in these videos exactly? In a couple of ways. Number one, when you publish videos on YouTube and YouTube runs ads on them, you make passive income from AdSense. So here is an idea about how much money you can make. From every view, you can make 3 cents, 1 cent to 3 cents. So from every 1,000 views or visitors, you'll make approximately $17. That's what they're saying here. And from 1 million views, you can make $2,000 to $3,000. Now, if I spend 3 to 5 minutes of my time using my software Epic and make $2,000 to $3,000, I'm the happiest man on earth. Now, the next way to make money online is called affiliate marketing or selling any product through any website. So how to do that is get your link in your videos, ask your viewers to click your links in the description and in the comment. They will find it useful and they will purchase from it. This is exactly what we do. Look at our results. This is just a random result from one of the affiliate account. So from 1,984 visitors, we made $3,500. It's far more than YouTube AdSense, but YouTube AdSense is free bonus, so why not? Another account, we made $3,935 from 5,199 visitors. Now you can possibly imagine how much money you can make from these millions of views from a couple of minutes of work using my software Epic. Link is in the description. It's free for you. You should grab it. Now, once you have done your research and you published a lot of videos, you must have a bundle of videos by now. Publish your videos on a website called Udemy. Udemy is a website that has 97 million monthly visitors. I apologize. Not 97 million visitors, they're 97 million customers. These people visit Udemy to make purchases because Udemy is a place of online courses. Udemy has built-in customers. They will buy from you and you will make money. Let me show you an example. This is a basic iPhone photography course and it has 59,559 students and they sell their course at a price point of $16.99. How much money do you think they made? Hey Siri, how much is 59,559 times 16.99?
59,559 times 16.99 is $1,011,907.41.
$1,011,000? That's a lot of money. By simply putting the videos as a bundle on this website. So what you waiting for? Grab Epic and start making simple 1-minute videos using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Publish them on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Ask your visitors or viewers to click the links in your description in the first comment. They will buy and you will make affiliate commissions. If you make wider videos and longer videos, publish them on as regular videos on YouTube and make AdSense money, completely passive, then bundle your videos as course contents and sell as a course on Udemy. You don't have to sell, you just have to upload it on Udemy. Udemy will do the selling for you. But they all come from the idea of using numbers in conjunction with my software Epic. Go ahead, grab Epic and get success. Epic is free for you, by the way. Oh, in case you see a box somewhere at the bottom of this video where text is being generated as I'm speaking, this is an auto voice to text software. It's also artificial intelligent and it's free for you. Link is in the description. This is another way we generate content for our blogs, our videos, and everything else. We don't work extra, we do work one time. This is how you save time and make money. Also, with this software, you can offer transcription service on Fiverr and any other freelancing sites like Upwork, freelancer.com, etc. and make millions of dollars extra. So go grab this transcription software as well. It's free for you and make as much money as you want. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted text whenever we needed, Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and a real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online using Amber Heard if you want. We want to make it super simple, easy. From this channel, our goal is to reach 100 million people in next 10 years and help them learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can no way do it without your help. And we need only 2 things from you. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. Tell them that they will learn how to make money online, and when they will succeed, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. That's what happened to us and happened to a lot of people. It's gonna happen to you as well. So go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.